In this video, we will explain how to search for our dealers on our website. At first you search for our website, vanram.com. After you enter our website, you click on the tab Shopping. Next step is to click on the tab Dealers, and the dealer search page will load. On this page, you'll be able to scroll down until you reach a country and postal code or city search bar. Here you select the country and or city so you can select one of our van name dealers. You can also select the kind of dealers you want to see: dealers, service partners, rental locations, etc. When you click Find Dealer, our website will show you all the nearest dealers so you can choose the dealer you want to reach out for. There are two ways to find your own dealer: by list view or by map view. When you click on Map View, you will see a map with all the highlighted locations you can choose from. Select the dealer you want and click on View this dealer. The website will show you the contact details from this dealer: phone number, email address, or their website. Simply click on Show Phone Number or Show Email. You will be able to contact our dealers by phone or by email. Simply make an appointment with the dealer and you are done. For more information about the dealer you want to reach out for, visit their website or reach out to them by phone or email.